What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we're going to be talking about the Diode Dynamics SS5 ditch lights for the Ford Bronco. So as many of you know, earlier this year, Diode Dynamics released their newest product, the SS5 LED pod. This pod is one of the most versatile 5-inch pods on the market, with many different configurations and even the ability to link together to make light bars, as seen on the Bronco roof bar and bumper bar. But now the ever-versatile SS5 takes on a new role. We've installed them as ditch lights on our 2021 Ford Bronco. One of the many benefits of the Diode Dynamics SS5 pod is its TIR optics built into the lens. As you can see here, the ditch light configuration, we do have a combo lens. This is going to combine both the driving and the flood optics to give you a great spread of light, but also shoot it downrange as far as possible. There are other configurations you can go with. However, we do recommend the combo optic as the ideal ditch light configuration. Much like many of Diode Dynamics' other LED pods, this does have a backlight feature, but what separates this from the other Diode Dynamic pods is the fact that you have the ability to change what color backlight you are using. All you have to do is simply cycle through the power to change the optics. I will show you here. In addition to the backlight, the SS5 gives you incredible output, as you can see here. All right, guys, that's gonna just about wrap this video up. We are super pumped to bring you guys another SS5 application. And if you are looking for the absolute most light output possible from the ditch light position, the SS5 should be on your radar. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you wanna see more content just like this, be sure to subscribe. And if you got a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.